the short-term time frame, we could see a little bit movement before we work our way back down. What I mean by that is our last candle on the MACD is less bearish right there. You can see it's a lighter red candle. So we're starting to flip from bearish to bullish. We're not extremely bullish until this blue gets back over the orange, guys. Now, stock RS or the RSI, similar to the day chart, you had that double top overbought, currently seeing a retracement. This is the lowest the RSI has been since the 15th of January. There is a local support area, I believe it's like right here. Yeah, you can see this general area of support where we bounced off it more often than not and found resistance at it when we're below it. So my personal opinion, I believe that might be the play right there. Watch this RSI retrace back down to around 42, and then you have the WTX printing sell, and we're starting to see a free fall right there as well. And we actually did break the uptrend on this as well. So we are possibly heading much lower, in my personal opinion. So that's something to be looking for. Now, the WTI, the stock RSI, this is the big one right here in the short-term time frames, guys. The stock RSI blue is over orange. Normally that means bullish, so we don't want to ignore that. So what that's saying is here in the short term, we could see some slight volatility to the upside, right? But the overall momentum for this coin right now is bearish. You can see back in the past here, we had blue over orange, had a fake out, blue over orange, had a fake out. So we could be seeing something similar to that here, a little bit of choppiness before we start working our way back up. We chopped down here in the past, guys. We've chopped before we started working our way back up. So in the meantime, I'm going to focus on the day chart right here. There's two different scenarios that I see going on for XCN right now. So I don't know what caused this giant run up. Some people are saying there was news of a Binance possible Binance listing. If you know what the news was that caused this huge run here for XCN, comment below because I would love to know. But in the meantime, in the day chart, the big area of support here is at 2.4. We cannot break below 2.4. The day chart, I personally think that's the most likely scenario where we're heading is back down the 2.4. Absolute worst case scenario, say Bitcoin just takes an absolute crap, right? Absolutely tanks. We break below 90K. It's Armageddon. Everyone's hiding in their bunkers. Worst case scenario is a 618, but I don't think that is going to be the play. I don't think we're going to be going below 2 cents here. I don't think we're going to that 1.3. That's just the Armageddon. You know, you're above the 618. The 618 is called the golden pocket for a reason. When you're above it, it's a powerful support. When you're below it, it's a pretty heavy resistance, as we saw right here. So that is kind of like your life support right there if the 786 does not hold. Now, like I mentioned on the day chart is a little toppy right here. So I'd be keeping an eye on that pullback possibly to around like that 2.3, 2.4 area, guys. Like I said, short term looks a little good to the bullish side, but overall the momentum does show that we are at a local top. So what we could be looking for here is just a little bit more choppiness, some chop like that, something that we experienced right here, but on the 786, and then we can start rallying to the upside up to around that 10 cents here at the 1236. But overall, guys, XCN is an amazing play in my personal opinion. I think we're easily going to smash above that 18 cents. And if I had to put a price on it, guys, let me shake my magic 8 ball here to put a price on the possible bull run. The possibility of us going to $1 plus are on the table. You do have a 1618 up here at about $7.05. That is unlikely, but not impossible. Normally, from your top to the bottom for the bull run, you normally flirt with the 1236 area, and then you top out somewhere in between this 1236 and 618. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a $1 to $3 Onyx coin here during the hype mania phase of the bull run, you know, towards the end of alt season. So that's still a lot more room to go on this coin. I mean, from where we're currently at, that's another 20, possible 22 to 40x on this coin still, guys. And that's easily, like, that's only a $40 billion market cap. I mean, there's coins out there with massive market caps. During the hype of the bull run, a lot of coins go up to the multi-billion-dollar market caps. So Onyx coin being at a $40 billion market cap, I think it's easily attainable, which brings it up to about between a $1 and $3 top here this bull run, guys. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.